What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna teach you how to play how to play Amen by Drake featuring Teezo Touchdown. And it's just gonna be 3 chords throughout the whole song. It's gonna be A major 7, B11, and E7. And the capo is gonna be on the 3rd fret. And so everything that I explain in this video is relative to the capo, meaning all this right here, just ignore that. And since the capo is now here on the 3rd fret, now this is gonna be the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and then so on. So that's what I mean by everything relative to the capo. But with that being said, let's hop into it. All right, guys, so the first chord is A major 7. And the way you play that is the 2nd fret, D string, 1st fret, G string, and the 2nd fret, B string. And it's gonna sound like this. And you're gonna play that one for 2 whole notes. And the 2nd chord is a B11, and so that's the 2nd fret, A string, 2nd fret, G string, and 2nd fret, B string. And it'll sound like this. Okay, and then the final chord is an E7, and so that's the 2nd fret, A string, and the 1st fret, G string, and it'll sound like this. Okay, and those are the 3 chords that you need to know. Now you can play it however you want to in terms of, the strumming pattern, or if you want to do palm mutes or whatever. That's up to you. That's up to your discretion. That's up to your style and your artistry. So you do that, or you do you, and basically it'll sound something like this. Praying, praying, pray again, pray again, praying, praying till you find amen. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. All right, guys, that is it. I appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully this added value. And if it did, please go ahead and leave a comment down below, or hit the like button. That's what all the YouTubers are saying nowadays. And also, if it did add value, please go ahead and subscribe if you want more videos like this. And to my subscribers that I already have, I know it's been hella long since I uploaded anything. But I'm getting back into it. I'm looking to upload more and have a consistent schedule. And ultimately, I'm just looking to add value, to the community. So again, hope this helps, and I'll see y'all next time.